Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So you can see the title, I will be doing a haul, like a clothing haul. I will not try it on, well, it says in the title try on, but I literally just took a picture and took a video yesterday. I was in the H&M, so I'm just gonna insert the clip, like how it fits me and how I look, how it looks like. So anyways, if you want to see the pieces that I had from H&M, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so I didn't vlog yesterday because I had so much stuff to do, like errands, and I just have so much stuff to do. That's why I didn't vlog. I was about to do like a vlog and show you guys the pieces that I got from H&M, but then I just decided to like do a clothing haul for you guys, and it's full time. So anyways, I went there and I didn't expect that H&M had a sale, so I got kind of, not a lot, but here, and some of the pieces that I have are normally was on sale. So anyways, the first one that I got here is this new, I don't know how you call this, but it's just, I don't know, I'm trying to see what the name of this one, but okay, so this is the first piece. It's blue. Like I said, I'm gonna insert a video and picture of how they look like, but it's just the print, it says Brooklyn NYC, and I love how these little ring details, it's kind of like more like a turtleneck right there, and it's blue, and it's just good for fall, makes you you know, warm enough. And the original price for this one is $24.99, which is like $25, almost $25, and I got it on sale for $7.99, which is like $8 right there. So that's a crazy sale, and I got the size large. I went in a one size up because I like my jacket and sweater like one size up for me. That's just like my preference. So that's that. And then the second one, I'm really excited because it's like a blazer. It's like a business casual blazer, and this is US medium. Yeah, so US medium, and the regular price is $34.99, which is almost $35, and I got it on sale for $11, which is like $10.99. So that's really crazy right there. That's the price. This is so cute, you guys. Like, I love it, and it's so comfortable and it fits me so well. I didn't get the size large because it was just too baggy for me, but the size I'm normally size medium, so I got the size medium right there. And then the next one is a really comfy cute sweater. It's $12.99, which is like $13, and I got it for $4, and it's like beige nude. I don't know, I can't describe the color, but it looks like this right there. Very comfy, and it's really soft as well. And then the next one is this long sleeve, how do you call this? It's like a basic long sleeve, and I got the size large because the medium was kind of like small, like not small, but it's kind of tight in my shoulders, so I got the size large right here, and it's on sale for $3, you guys. Can you imagine? $3, and it's just a plain you know, long sleeve, black and white, and it's comfortable as well. And the last one I got is this, the name of this, knitwear. It's a top knitwear, and the original price is $17.99, which is like $18, and I got it for $6.99, and it's so cute as well, you guys. Like, this is cute. It's kind of like a crop toppy thing, but like not really. So yeah, this is really cute as well, and I think that's it for the H&M. Okay guys, so overall the total was $23.74 plus taxes, $1.43, which is $25.17. But I got all discount for like $80. Like, that's a good deal. So I sign in. When I pay, the cashier told me if I have a member if I'm a member at H&M, and I told her I don't think so, so she let me sign in. So I basically just put my email, you know, my date of birth and my phone number, and then, you know, it let me sign in. So I got the 20% off as well, so that's really good. And yeah, like I said, I only paid $25 out of everything, and that's really like a good sale, because some of these pieces are like really expensive. For like the blazer, like the outdoor blazer, is like almost $35. The top knitwear, there's one is almost $18, and some of the other jersey is $24, like the NYC, that's like $24.99, which is like almost $25. So I really got a good deal for that one. So yeah, I didn't know H&M was having a sale. Thank God I went there, you know, I just stopped by there. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys also, not a clothing related, but I also stopped at Ulta yesterday, right here, Ulta. Just gonna quickly show you what I got from there. So I got, they were like the Maybelline, they were like having a sale. It was like buy one get 50% off after. So I got their, like I said, you guys, I love their Superstay matte lipstick. So I got the shade Seductress, and I also got the shade Groundbreaker. So this is kind of more of like red, and this is like more of like a pinkish nude, like peachy nude, something like that. So the regular price for each is $9.24. So I got a, you know, 50% off with this one right here. And then the next one is lip liner from LA Girl, and this is the shade Bear and the shade Cafe. And the original price, well, I don't know if there was on sale. Yep, they were on sale. The original price was $5.99. It's 30% off sale item, so it's like I paid only $4.19 on both. And I will show you guys what they look like, but they're like more nudes. I love nude lipstick, you guys. They look similar, but in person they don't look similar right there, because I already swatched them at the store yesterday as well. So that's really cute. And lastly, I got the Blackest Brown. It's also from LA Girl. This is the Shady Slim Brow Pencil. I haven't tried this one. I normally repurchase my Anastasia Brow Wiz, but Anastasia is just so expensive. So I'm trying a different brow pencil from, you know, like drugstore. So I can't wait to try this, and it comes with a spoolie as well right there. And then the price is, yeah, it's on sale as well for 30% off item. It's the same as the lip liner. The price originally is $5.99, but now I only paid $4.19 from that. So yeah, that's like what I got from Ulta yesterday as well. So let me show you guys. Let's go back to the clothing haul. Okay, so this is not from H&M. This is actually from Walmart, you guys, because I have a really great video that I'm gonna film after this. So this is from Walmart, and I got a turtleneck black knitwear, or like sweater. Yeah, it's a turtleneck sweater for $11.86 right there. Turtleneck, and my size is medium. It's just plain black. And then hold on, the next one is this long sleeve. It just says relaxed fit, but it's like a hoodie, like a zip hoodie, and it's black. I love black. It's just like half of my wardrobe is like black. So it's just like a hoodie, like a zip hoodie, and it has a pocket right there. And then yes, I also got some accessories over there, which is this really cute accessories from Time Through. It's only $2.88, and it's like gold cross. It's really cute right there. And I also got a belt, you guys. Look at this belt. It's very like vintage looking, and it's $10 right there. It's so cute. I see a lot of people wear these, and I saw one on Target as well, but they're more like inexpensive, so I just got one from Walmart right there. This reminds me of the Urban Outfitters belt. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this as well and use them. And then lastly, yeah, I think the last one is this. What is this? What's the name of this one? Okay, so last one is the cardigan. This is the double knit cardigan, and this cost, this is kind of expensive out of everything. It's $22.86, and it's a cream white color right here. So but they're comfortable, you guys, and I feel like this is really good for fall. You just have to style it up. So that's what I got at Walmart. This last one is a pair of heels, and I think Romwe, yeah, it was on the shop, in the site, not shop, but it was in the site Romwe. And you guys, look at this heel. Like, I don't have this heel, and what attracts me is this wooden thing right here, and it's so freaking cute. I am size 38, I think. Yeah, I'm size 38. So if you convert that in US, it's like 7.5 or 7, size 7 or 7.5. It really depends on what kind of shoes. Like, my size is different, you guys. Sometimes I'm size 7, like I said, or sometimes I'm size 7.5. But yeah, this is the heels look like. They're so cute and unique. Right here, right there. And this was on sale for like $11, I think. Yeah, so I'll just leave the link down below if you guys want to check this out, right there. Okay guys, hope you like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I have an exciting another video after I end this. So yeah, that's why I showed you the clothing first. So anyways, like I said, like this video if you haven't already, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so yeah, I will see you guys soon on my next one. Bye.